Want to see what your computer's packing? Cool, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how you can do just that. Ready? Let's dive in. First, click on the search icon and type in CMD. Next, click on Command Prompt. Then type in System Info here and hit Enter. And you'll see the details about your computer, like the operating system name and version, motherboard info, processor details, BIOS version, installed RAM, and more. If you're not using Command UI, just search for System Information and open up the app. You'll find all the details you need there and more. Oh, and if you want more info, just use CPU-Z and GPU-Z. They'll give you all the nitty-gritty details you need. So that's how you find out all about your computer or laptop on Windows 11. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want more tips and tricks for Windows, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll catch you in the next one.